Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps and fog lamps and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 20-inch wheels wrapped in Venom Power tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera with reverse sensing system, and a power tailgate. Interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As we move closer to the cabin, you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side. Above we have a twin panel moonroof. Over at the steering column are auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right are median hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have B&O audio. We have sync navigation, Bluetooth connection, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, vehicle hotspot mobile app, software updates, Ford Assistance, Amazon Alexa, 911 assist. And below we have the dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. We have dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage. And at the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power window. As we move closer to the cabin, you will see that we have plenty of space. If there's any more questions about this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.